All right, so we're at our city today with. What are your names?
Aradhya.
And
Akriti.
very nice to meet you all.
Same here. What's your name?
Rushab, I'm Rushab.
Okay.
Very nice to meet you all.
Same here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Tell me which dating apps have you used in the past and what's your experience been
She's
like?
been using Abhi, so she can answer more.
like Bumble and Tinder.
Bumble, okay.
Yeah.
I have used Bumble
Okay.
once. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. If you can just keep the mic a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
yeah.
Thanks so much. Thanks so
Yeah.
much. All right, Bumble. So
Yeah.
what is Bumble like?
Bumble is like I don't like the vibe of it.
No.
People are there just for hookups and
Correct.
not for real connection.
Correct.
So
I mean, you can't even go to have friends there.
Yeah.
It's just they'll directly ask you, okay. And I'm like, no.
Let's get to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Great. Thanks for that. Do you all have a male best friend?
I have one.
yes,
I have many, I would say.
I have one.
Yeah.
So if you all were to call your male best friend and tell them that you like them, what would their reaction be like? Honestly, because
I mean, they know ki.
they'll know it's a prank.
They'll
Okay.
know.
Okay.
Definitely they'll know.
But you're sure they are male best friends. They're not like
No.
trying to.
Yeah.
Great.
I mean, they do like some kind of musty and all, but they know like the limits has been already. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so like that.
So, which animal reminds you of your ex-boyfriend?
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Say that again.
Chimpanzee.
And you?
Giraffe maybe.
Giraffes and chimpanzees.
Tall.
He's sweet and tall.
Yeah.
Great. I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, according to you, who moves on faster, guys or girls?
It depends actually.
It depends.
Yeah.
Got it.
I
What
would
about
say.
you?
I think boys move on faster, girls take time, but once they move, they never go back.
And boys kind of keep going
Yeah,
back every
they keep
once in a
going.
while.
Yeah, that's just alright.
Right. No, I love that answer. It's true. It's very true.
Yeah.
All right. So what's one thing in a guy or a girl that makes you cringe? That makes you like cringe?
I mean, you straight away ask for date. Like we've been talking, and now you're asking like, let's go for a beer and that. It's like a turn off, I would say.
Correct.
At least let me know you, right?
Right. So build some connection.
Yeah, connection, and let me get
talk
to
a
know you,
little
and
bit.
then
Got it. What about
every
you?
date is not something I like. Yeah.
Sure.
I don't like the cringy pickup lines.
Pickup lines are cringe for you.
That's also-
Okay.
Like time dekho, place dekho.
Great.
Seriously.
I love it. All right. Last two questions before I let you go.
Okay.
What does a guy have to do to impress you?
You answered first.
Just be real, be you.
Be original and
Yeah.
authentic. Got it. What about you?
I mean, appreciate us if we do something for you. I mean, acknowledge it at least. I've been with people where they don't give a shit about, if you do something for them. So, yeah. And yeah, be honest, be real. That's the thing we will want. So, yeah.
I see.
That's it. Yeah.
I see. Great. And then, last question.
Yeah.
If you could ask only one question on a first date, what would that be? Like if you're on a date and you could only ask one question to get to know that person, what would that question be?
Straight away, what exactly you want?
What are you looking for?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
let me know.
Same answer.
Yeah.
Not how much do you make, not how much money do you make.
No, because I know the intentions of guys already. So I would want to know what exactly they want out of we are meeting or that. So yeah, that would be my first question.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, thanks so much. Those are all the things I had for you all.
I mean, this was our first time. So yeah,
Really?
This was
So-
actually, yeah, it was fun.
I'm glad. I'm so
Yeah.
glad
Thanks
that
for
you're
asking us
this way.
to have this.
What's your
Absolutely.
Insta page?
Yeah.
Yeah, just let us know so we can check it there.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.